Your chocolate bar and your scoop of ice cream share a journey from heat to cold. From the fermentation of cacao seeds to the freezing of cream, both rely on precise transformations. High in humid plantations, cacao beans are piled under banana leaves to ferment for up to 7 days. Microorganisms feast on the pulp, generating heat and acids that create flavor precursors and turn the beans brown. After fermentation, workers spread the beans in the sun for another week. The beans lose moisture and develop their characteristic aroma. Without this double act of microbes and sunlight, chocolate would taste flat and sour. Once dry, beans travel to the factory. There they're cleaned, then roasted to deepen flavor. Roasting drives off moisture and triggers chemical reactions that produce nutty, caramelized notes. Heat loosens the shells. When cracked, the husks fall away, revealing cocoa nibs, the kernels of future chocolate. The crackle and aroma signal the birth of chocolate. Nibs are ground under heavy rollers until they liquefy, becoming chocolate liquor, smooth, thick, and glossy. This liquor is then conched, kneaded and aerated by large mixers for hours or even days. Conching drives off volatile acids and refines the particle size so that the chocolate melts cleanly on the tongue. The longer the conching, the smoother and more aromatic the chocolate becomes. After conching, the chocolate is tempered. It is cooled and reheated so that its cocoa butter forms stable crystals. Tempering gives chocolate its snap and glossy sheen. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds, bars, coins, or cavities for bonbons. Vibrating tables remove air bubbles and ensure even distribution. When the chocolate solidifies, it emerges shiny and smooth, ready to be wrapped. In another part of the factory, a different treat begins. Ice cream starts as a liquid. Milk or cream, sugar, stabilizers, emulsifiers, and flavors are combined in huge steel tanks. This mixture is pasteurized, heated between 70 and 85 degrees Celsius to kill harmful bacteria and dissolve the sugar completely. Pasteurization also hydrates proteins, setting the stage for a smooth texture. The hot mix is forced through tiny nozzles under high pressure, breaking fat globules into microscopic droplets. This prevents separation and ensures creaminess. After homogenization, the mix is cooled and allowed to age for several hours. During this time, fat crystals begin to form and stabilizers absorb water. The result is a thickened base that's ready to freeze. Next comes the chilling. The mix enters continuous freezers, where blades scrape freezing mix off super cold barrel walls, while paddles whip air into it. Incorporating air, called overrun, keeps ice cream light rather than icy. In the last moments before the semi-frozen ice cream leaves the freezer, chunks like chocolate chips, roasted nuts, or cookie dough pieces are added, so they're evenly suspended. The swirl of cold and mix-ins creates the texture we crave. The soft ice cream flows into cartons or bar molds and heads into a hardening tunnel colder than -40 degrees. Inside, the remaining water freezes quickly, locking in tiny ice crystals. Hardened bars or tubs exit the tunnel, ready for wrappers and lids. Packaging happens rapidly to prevent melting. Once sealed, the ice cream enters distribution freezers, waiting to melt on someone's tongue. Chocolate and ice cream may seem simple, but every square and scoop carries the legacy of fermentation vats and pasteurization tanks, roasting ovens, and freezing tunnels. They are alchemy in factories. Bitter seeds coaxed into sweetness, and liquid cream sculpted into frozen foam. The next time you enjoy a chocolate-dipped cone, remember the heat, the cold, and the careful craft that made it possible.